Hi, I'm here at Wildlight Restaurant, which is the newest restaurant venture for the Jim Pattison Group at Leland Village up at UBC. That really sets this patio apart. We're very proud of, and it's working very well for the group and the restaurant team here, is our VertiSlide operable vertical walls. The beauty about the VertiSlide system is it can be controlled by a remote, so you're not bending over your clientele to operate the walls, and also could be integrated into your automated system for your whole building. When the VertiSlide wall is in its up position, it creates a sealed barrier from the elements, so you really can rely on the seating throughout the year. But at a touch of a button, the VertiSlide wall comes down. As it's coming down, you notice it nestles in with each other, and when it gets to the bottom, it creates a firm railing system that gives you the barrier from the people walking outside and gives you that bit of a cozy feeling for your clientele.